Remember when we used to be able to walk right next to the Franklin Park? Well, there's been some changes going on, and I'm not too happy about it. Looks like they've put a fence completely around this whole section of Franklin Park, and there's no entrance to this park. And Scott's Miracle Grow Foundation Children's Garden is paying for this. And Scott's Miracle Grow purchased the rights to sell Roundup for millions. And Roundup is a known carcinogen that we shouldn't be putting in our soil at all. So this area used to be completely open and free to the public, and now it's got a wall. It's sort of like Trump's border wall. This is Scott's Miracles border wall. But of course, Franklin Park Conservatory is the one who decided to build it. And I'm just gonna take you all the way around because when I first saw it, I was surprised. I thought there would be a gate that maybe when they didn't have events, that would be open, that folks could, again walk in Franklin Park. But no, it's now no man without a membership or paid ticket to the event can get in. Yeah, this is the new children's garden, and it is not free and open to the public. It's definitely through the conservatory. And I thought this land was public park land. I guess the conservatory now owns it. I don't know really the legal rights of who owns this, who doesn't own it. Looks pretty fancy, looks pretty nice. But for a walker, a person who used to walk right over there next to the Franklin Park and through the beautiful tulips and by the beautiful water fountain that looks like the sails, sailboat sails, you can no longer get in there unless we pay. So first time I saw it, I was shocked. Here's a gate, but this is, I think, just locked for people who are, working here. And then it basically, when the realization hit, I had a really good cry. I was really angry and sad. And so, I'm just gonna do the circumference, and you guys will know now the extent of this new garden by Scott's Miracle Grow Foundation Children's Garden. Let's see. Wow. It ain't for the kids around here, unless of course you pay for it. It used to be. It used to be for the people. And last year, the Pro Musica, when they came and performed. Hi there. It was lovely. It was free. We all, getting close to the museum, put our chairs out, heard this incredible 4 cellos. It was awesome. I thought, what a great event. And now, just within the past month or so, this big old fence has been built and put up. And yeah, I'm still looking for that open gate so people can wander in there. I'm really bummed. Yeah, I'm gonna keep filming until I get to the end of it. Yeah, and I haven't talked with the other folks that are walking because I don't want to bother them, and I also don't really want to put them on the spot. But This park has a lot of history. I know Sherman spoke in this park. And even, there have been camp meetings and evangelical meetings back in the days of tent camps, evangelical meetings. There was the Ameriflora, and I know that had a lot of controversy at the same time. I was out of town then. And then there, the Asian festivals here. I wonder how they're going to deal with this. And my own production. New World Navigator. We did our rehearsals over here in the outdoor theater. We rented space from Parks and Recs. It was great. Oh yeah, here we are. See, look. There's the area that I used to be able to walk through, that we all used to be able to walk through. It's now fenced off. I just was so sad and so distraught that they would do this. And I ran into a grounds woman, and she seemed to be one of the administrators, and she said, oh well, they needed a larger footprint for the events so they could, have more events. Well, yeah, so now they can lock people out so that they can charge people for their events, I guess. I'm surprised it's not a solid wall, so that because people can see now, some of the things that are going on. You can stand out and look in. Yeah. I'm kind of like a ranting lunatic right now, but I just wanted other folks that love Franklin Park to know and see what's going on. And I don't think a lot of people know that Scott's Miracle Grow also paid for the Potager Garden, which is a lovely new spot over the other end of the park along Nelson. But that kind of gave me a sick pull in my stomach, because it's just ironic that a pesticide company, herbicide company, herbicides, and and then of course they purchased the rights to sell Roundup, which is causing so much trouble with the glyphosate on all the GMO corn and soybean, and even plants that aren't GMO, they use it to desiccate, dry out the weeds. So they're pouring this toxic Roundup on our crops to make it easier to harvest them, whether or not they use it. Roundup Ready seeds. So that's Scott's Miracle Grow. So they're the ones that are funding all this. And don't the people of Franklin Park Conservatory read about what's going on with glyphosate and with Roundup? Don't they know that calling your Franklin Park Conservatory a name like Scott's Miracle Grow is like saying a company of poison has paid for your children's garden? Yeah, they must not be reading environmental news and reading the research. So here's the end of this large black gated. Yeah, no, see, I tried to get in. It's locked. Yeah, there's the end. Yeah, there is maybe another part of whole other side. This is the end. All right, I guess, folks, we're just all gonna have to take this in and have our moment of grief, or maybe even weeks of grief, and then maybe just they're gonna have to answer for this.